How to register on TD Bank online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on this video we will learn how we can register on TD Bank online banking account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Open any of your preferred browser. Head towards the search bar and there type in TD Bank and then search for it. Now from the search results, head towards the first link on your interface, that is www.td.com. Click and open it up. That's gonna take you to their official website. Now in order to register, you have to head towards the sign up button on this interface under online banking and click on it. Once you see this kind of interface, here you have three options that you can choose from. If you want to enroll on personal account, go with that. If you have your small business account, you can do that. And the third option, so according to your account type, you can choose one from there. After that, in order to register on TD Bank, you will need all of this information such as your TD Bank ATM, Visa debit or Visa credit card, your email address, your TD Bank account numbers, and your social security number. Once you're done with that, now confirm this option here that says I am the account owner for all the account types. So once you confirm your ownership, click on continue. After that, again here is terms and conditions. You can scroll through it. With this, you can print it out as well. But if you click on this accept here, now you can head towards and then click on accept here again. Now here it says online banking enrollment, where you will provided a form where you have to fill up all of this required information, and here you have to be ready to provide your social security number, again your TD Bank ATM, Visa debit or credit card, your email address, and your bank account number. But in case if you don't have a social security number, you can enroll at any of your TD Bank location. So if you have all of this information, now head over to this form. First of all, you have to fill up your personal information. So enter your first name, next to that enter your email address, and under that enter your last name. Scroll down a bit and here it says personal account information. Click on this drop down here, select your account type. Here you have to write your ATM or debit card number. Under that enter your account number, and on this section you have to enter your social security number. Once you're done with that, now scroll down a bit and head towards this username and password setup. So here you have to set up your account credential. First of all, create your username. Here it says your username must have 8 to 25 characters and it should start with a letter. So enter or create your username according to your preference. Next to that, re-enter your username in order to confirm. Under that, create a password. Again it says please use 8 to 32 characters. In order to create a password, that must have at least one letter, one number, 8 to 32 characters, and without spaces. Once you're done creating your password, re-enter your password in order to confirm it. Once you're done with that, click on continue and then your account will be registered, and then you can use your login credential to log in into your TD Bank online banking account. And if you are prompted for the verification, make sure to process this information carefully. That's it. That's how you can register on TD online banking account. And that's all for today's video. If this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.